Hello everyone, so it is time to check on the rocks. It's been a week at stage 1, so I was meant to check on them throughout the week and I've completely forgotten. So here's hoping they're all intact. Let's see. Okay. It's time. Oh, yep. That looks rather murky. Okay. This one's interesting. Can't see any broken pieces. I'm trying to think back to last week what they looked like. Maybe I should have a look. That's the agate. Oh yeah, I'd say most of these will be able to go back on. They haven't been completely destroyed yet. I've got to say I really do love doing the second round of stage 1, simply because I don't need to worry about washing everything off to the same degree as when you're going between stages, right? Well, that's the verdict for the first week of stage 1. Let's see what the second week of stage 1 looks like, okay? Hello, so these have just finished their second week at stage 1, so let's see how they're doing this week. Hopefully they're doing okay. A lot of these are still looking pretty okay, which seriously surprises me. Like at first glance at least. I mean, it's quite interesting. Yeah, this one, the washing stone's actually still doing decent. I feel like this has shrunk a little bit. I mean, all in all, I think they're actually doing pretty well. So, I'm going to... I'll chuck in a little bit of tumbling media, just to keep it full enough. First, I have a couple of rocks that have been in on stage 1, but still needed a little longer. So I'm just going to pop them in with this lot. I'm just searching first to figure out what one's the what. And now I'll fill it up with some tumbling media just to fill in those little gaps. Okay, get the lid back on and get this lot on for another week or so. I'm really pushing it by putting these softer rocks back on, but honestly, I'm just curious to a degree to see how much they can handle before they disintegrate. I mean, this is only stage 1, but it's definitely the most abrasive stage. The rest, it's kind of taking out those larger scratches, but they don't reshape the rock per se in the later stages. well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So next week I'll be back to doing a video of going out rock hunting and exploring. Following that I'll do the third stage 1 dump and hopefully a stage 2 dump as well, but we'll see how we get on. Thanks, see you next time, bye.